Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I have a very special guest, Becky Beach, where she's going to show you how she bypasses these regular traffic platforms such as Etsy and Pinterest to get free buyer traffic right to her printables on a daily basis, and how she makes over four figures every month doing so. Okay, I got timestamps below, and if you're interested in her course, I also got bonuses down below. Check it out. And without further ado, here's Becky Beach.
Oh, hey, Ike, thanks so much for having me today. I'm Becky Beach, and I'm the course creator of Printables Blog Academy. It's a course that actually helps you create a blog that promotes your printables 24/7. It's like having your own salesperson that's always working for you to sell your printables. And my own blog, mombeach.com, is totally geared to sell my printables, so I'm getting like printable sales every single day. I actually make almost 10,000 a month. It just varies from 8 to 10 each month. And that's on autopilot without running any ads. It's all organic, passive income. So in Printables Blog Academy, I share you my secrets. So let me go ahead and share my blog. This is my blog, mombeach.com. And I've had this blog since 2015, but I didn't really get serious about it until 2018. My son was 3 years old. So this blog is totally geared to sell my printables. I actually have the link to my store here. So I got two stores. I have a personal use printable store, which sells personal use printables. And I have over 90 printables. And also sell spreadsheets and ebooks, and also bundle them up too, and also have $1 deals. And my blog is constantly promoting my printables because I'm actually doing content marketing on my blog. So I'm creating content, and then each piece of content actually gets traffic, like almost every single one now. Like a lot of them are on the first or second page of Google. And then here we go. This is like a recent blog post, how to budget for stay-at-home moms. So in this blog post, I have like a way to get on my email list. So this is a free printable they can get. Then when they sign up, they're directed to, this is actually called a tripwire. And I actually have an upsell called Tripwires Made Easy Mastermind. It's like a bump offer. So this actually shows how I made this tripwire, like one like it. And this is actually for a spreadsheet. So then they're redirected to this, and they can purchase that for $7. So that's like one of my bump offers for the course. I actually show how to make that. But in the course, I actually show how to make a blog from scratch in WordPress. So the blog in the course is called Fit Beach Mom Blog. It actually promotes the Shopify store Fit Beach Mom. So this is actually the blog that I create in the course, and I show you everything I do. So here's like the newest printables, and then here's the newest blog articles. So then I share how to do this, create an email list on the blog and make categories. So I actually build this blog from scratch right in the course. So having a blog it just helps you get traffic like crazy, because as you're building content that's solving people's problems, so everybody's coming to the blog to get their problem solved, and the printables further solve the problem. So in Printables Blog Academy, I actually show you how to make a blog just like this, and actually how to like do all these links. How to make links up here. How to make an affiliate program. How to make a contact page, how to make a freebie page, like all kinds of things in this course. You're going to learn so much. Like this piece of content gets so much traffic. I've had 57.9 shares on Pinterest alone. And this actually sells products in the post too. So this is a product that I sell. I get lots of sales on this. It's an educational flashcards for $7, and they get this in this blog post. And I get so many sales on this because this is something that will further solve the problem. It's an activity for a child and also provides educational value. So this whole post is a really high-ranking post on Pinterest. I get lots of Pinterest traffic, and it's just a roundup post. So in the course, I show you how to make roundup posts just like this. And here's like a free opt-in where they can get on my email list, and also it's directed to a sales page too. Then I show the offer again. So you're going to learn all this and more in Printables Blog Academy. So let me walk you through the course. So in this course, you're going to learn all these different tactics on how to create a blog. So the first is the welcome, and then I say why you need the blog. Then the next module is choosing a name for the blog. Is a .com important? Choosing a web host. Should your domain name and host be the same company? Choosing your blog's brand colors. Actually show you how to create a logo for your blog and how to choose fonts for your blog. And how to choose the blog's content management system. And how to create a design for your blog's landing page, and how to search for a theme. And then I answer the question if you should get a custom theme. Then I talk about hosting and how to install WordPress, how to install the blog theme, connecting the blog to the domain and enabling SSL, how to connect Google Analytics and Search Console, and then getting comfortable with your WordPress, customizing your blog theme, setting up categories, what is a plugin and how to install one. I share recommended software, setting up the about page, setting up the content page, setting up the affiliate page, setting up the legal pages. I got so much information to help you in setting up the navigation menus and setting up the email form. And then in Module 4, I talk about how to promote your blog. I talk about places to promote your printables on your blog and writing blog posts to promote your printables and making a product sales page on your blog. And then the ending, the next steps, and the bonuses. Get the free traffic workshop where I actually show you how to get traffic to your blog using free methods. Like none of these are paid. It's all for free. You get free Pinterest traffic and Google traffic. I'll show you everything that I know. And then you get a 30% off coupon for any PLR Beach product at PLR Beach. This is my store called PLR Beach, and I sell commercial use printables. So you get a coupon to spend at this store. A $30 coupon, so you can buy like almost every product on the store. You get that as well, so you can start customizing it in the printable and then reselling it, because all these printables on here can be resold as your own. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy Printables Blog Academy. Well, back to you, Ike.
Thank you, Becky. And if you want to get Becky's course, Printables Blog Academy, plus my custom bonuses right over here, just check out the link below and claim it all, okay? Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.